Okay, on my bike ride and heading downhill to home here. Okay, I had to pause because I needed both hands down that hill. Now I'll need them both for going up this hill. Okay, and down the hill further, and this is my little valley. Okay, so heading home. Okay, let's see if I can do this here. Slow and easy here. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. You can hear the frogs. Frogs are rejoicing because of all the rain. They love the rain. Wait, give you a little glimpse here, wait. Okay. My idyllic little valley in northern Thailand. Okay, I am at the northeast corner of my property. This is the Chi homestead. Okay, this is the ag area. This is sheet mulching. Okay, for no-till agriculture in a couple of season or two, maybe three. Okay, and then we've got the greenhouse and the ag vegetable garden beyond the plastic, and the mushroom house. Okay, mushroom house, and then my humble little abode. This is the entryway. We just redid the entryway, and my humble little abode right there. Okay. Oh, so beautiful dusk here, sunset. Once again, dusk at the Chi homestead. Let's see my humble little abode there.